Good evening, everybody. I'm greeting everybody out there. How are you people? I hope everybody is cool. We thank God. This is Bata TV. Bata TV. Please, if you see this video across to your doorstep, please subscribe. Subscribe this video, please, and put like and share. Please subscribe. If you see it across, please subscribe. Today I decide to show you people how I cook white rice and spinach. So as I am eating, I will use this opportunity to say something small about our African politicians. I'll just enlighten you small about how our politicians behave, how they don't want to care about us, how they want to rule without us. You understand me? They are ruling without populations. So I said I will enlighten you people small, and everybody should be vigilant. Know what you are doing. Know what you are doing, because not to go and vote, only to go and vote and it's okay. You see, we don't have to go and vote and we will stay back and it's okay, everything is all right, everything is fine. No, it's not like that. It's not like that. We have to fight for our right. Yeah, we have to fight for our right. Our right is very, very important. Yeah, I just taste this my beautiful rice, nice rice. Oh God, what a food. Ewo, 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 ewo yo. My people, this food sweet. If somebody tell you that man cook this food, you say no. You say no. Mba. Mba, 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 mba. You say no. I told you people every day that these kind of dishes, if you are eating, don't rush. Don't rush it at all. You have to be patient, like egg. So you go to follow the food, they go small, small. Before you know it, the food is finished. So the topic is African politicians. Repent. Repent. Oh, why I like to speak of politics Too much is too much. I like to speak politics. Politics is my hobby. It's my hobby. I want to speak it every day, blessed day. Because where I came from, where I came from, if I told you where I came from, you will cry for me. Just as we enter Europe, and we can see say Africa is too backward. It's too backward. And nobody want to do something about it. Nobody. Only people face is entertainment. People want to feel happy. People, how you will feel happy? Your country is not in good shape, in good condition. Even though you get the money, because the poor people are too much. There are many. How will you take enjoy your money? How will you take enjoy your money if you are a rich man in Africa? You will enjoy it, but my brother, inside your own heart, you know that it's not worth it. Because we have many problems in Africa. Street people, too much street people in Africa. Too much street people. People are suffering. I care for those people because I see what is in Europe. If I compare to Africa, and at times I will be crying. Because in Europe here, every house get a car. And education is like maybe going to market. Education is going to market here in Europe. Everybody go to school. Everybody, you have to go to school to achieve your goal. If not so, one day you will suffer. And the government will help. The system is the government will help you from primary to SHS. You understand? They will be helping you. They will be helping you every day. They know that if you grow, you are property of the country. You are the property of the country. So they want to help you till you grow up. Till you grow up. They won't stop. They won't stop helping you. They will help you till you grow. If you grow, you finish your education, you can decide for yourself. This is Europe. What a beautiful this is system. What a beautiful system. But we Africa know. Our politicians take everything. They want to chop everything. No system. No system. No system in Africa. No system. Why is it like that? No system. Here, if somebody born, they will start paying you. They will start paying you. They will start giving the baby something to live on. The parent to live on something. If you are working, they will be giving you baby salary. What a beautiful situation. But Africa, we get the money. I don't want to mention itself now that maybe you get gold, we get diamond, we get bauxite, we get this thing. No, I don't want to mention it, because if you mention it, it's like we are playing with our minds. All these things, we get it. We get properties. I don't want to mention it. Diamond, gold, no. We get properties in our countries, but we are suffering. Not suffering, not small suffering, no. We are suffering. People are suffering. People are suffering. People are really suffering. It's not easy. A country without system is not easy. You can't build a country without system. Without a system, no. If you build a house without foundation, that house will fall down. You can't even start it. So, I like to speak to my fellow people. You understand me? Make you people understand me from where I'm coming from. You understand me? We from poor background. Poor background. But reaching here, get to this Europe, we thank God. We thank God that He changed some things. We are coping. We are feeling happy, like our home. You understand? So if you are in your home, in your house, you have to feel happy. If you go somebody's country and you are feeling happy, and you come to your country and you are feeling pain, but that is too bad. Too bad. Too bad. That is too bad. We have to change our ways. These our politicians, they have to create. They have to do. They have to make a way. Systems. Create a way that everybody should be happy. Everybody should be happy. Please excuse me. I want to taste. It's very important. The food is getting cold. So if I say I go follow these politicians, I'm not going to stop this food. Take it easy. Nobody is pursuing you. You take it easy and you enjoy your meal. And we, the populations, we are making a big mistake. Every day since they born me, that mistake, they there. The politicians will come to your house and they will buy you with small rice, small sugar, small tomatoes, small pepper, and small money. They will buy you for 8 good years. With how much? Maybe with 200 Ghana or 100 Ghana. They will buy you and you are there. You are there doing nothing. You will go and vote free for the person. You don't even know your right. We the citizens, we don't even know our right. You put the person there to achieve. You put the person there to achieve something. To achieve something. This Europe, if they vote for you, they are waiting for you for something. If you don't give them that something, 2 months, you have to go. Another person will come. This Italy is like that. Another person will come. 2 months, 6 months. If you are not doing good, you are gone. You understand? So we don't have to take these people like they are our God. No, they are nothing. They are nothing. They are like us. They are like me and you. We put them there to achieve something, to make our country go where the prosperity is. You understand? We didn't put them there to be eating the money, doing what they like, doing party left and right, going and coming back, Europe, putting our money to big World Bank. My brother, it's me and you. It's our problem now. Not them. Them, they are rich. If you get there, you are rich. Every politician in Africa know that if they vote for him, he's rich. Because their brain is too selfish. Their heart is too black. Their aim is to come in our politics and spoil everything. And they spoiled everything. Since we get independence, there is no progress. there is no progress. No progress. No progress. Everything is going down. Everything is going down. People are taking people to ritual. People are killing people. People take people, mother and father, and do ritual. People take their family and do rituals because of money. This is bad. This is too bad. Too bad. And you have to stop. We have to stop. We have to stop. It's not by force to vote. No. It's not by force to vote. For me, voting, if they want, they don't have to vote. They have to leave it like that. They will choose person. We the citizens, we will choose person. We choose this man, come and rule us. If the man is not doing well, even though it's 2 months, 6 months, you will go, somebody will come. That 4 years is too much. Oh. That 4 years, the 4 years is too much. It's too much. The 4 years is too much. In Italy here, you can't rule 4 years without achievement, and they will leave you. No, you have to achieve. Supposed to do something. Make them know say you self want to do something. Nobody you go there they sleep. You there they sleep. Like the country is yours. No. The country is not. If they put you for president in Africa, the country is not yours. The country is not yours at all. The country belongs to the populations. So if you people come to power, you people should have to do what the population need. If you can't do what the population need, then you are not qualified to be the president of that country in Africa. It's painful, my brothers. It's painful. It's painful. It's too painful. It's too painful because, my dear, if you see people suffering, you will cry. You will see old woman hawking, small children hawking, young girls hawking. It's too painful. It's not 100, it's not 200 people. It's like 1 million people. It's like 20 million people hawking on the road to survive. Come to this Europe, who you will see hawking on the road. Small children in Europe hawking. Young girls in Europe hawking. No, you can't see it. You can't see it because every day they developed their country. They want to go further. They want to go further. They want to do something. They want to achieve. They want to achieve their goal. They want to show you that they are intelligent. But we know. Make we forget about white people are doing not racist. We can do, we can prove to them that we are intelligent. Doing good things. You understand? Doing good things. You have money and you don't have. This thing is not working. It's not working. How the white man will not insult you? How? The white man will not insult you. Because you don't know anything from the president. Or with the population. So they are looking at us like we are zero. We have to prove to them that we are intelligent. Doing the right thing. So my brethren, I will put you people here the end of this topic, because we have many things to talk about. It's painful, but I know that one day self is useless. That one day is useless. We must. It's a must. We must do it. We must do it. We must do it. Yeah. So I will leave you people here. If you see this video, please don't hesitate to push it to another fellow, another friend, to another friend, to another family, and things we have to say. These things we have to say every day in our homes, because it's killing us. It's really killing us. So we don't have to fold our arms just like that, looking the world. The world cannot help you. You have to help yourself. If you are sleeping, they will leave you. You sleep till you wake up in the morning. You will not see anybody. Everybody is gone. They're gone to work. You see, and you will continue sleeping. As you are a lazy man, they will leave you. You sleep. Yeah. So I thank God for today, that He give us the strength, and we hope to change Africa. I'm praying every day to see Africa change, to see people cry no more, like Europe, like Asia, like America. You see. So I will leave you people here. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to subscribe. Please, I'm begging you to subscribe. Bye bye. I love you people too much. Bye.